This video is about cleaning data and it follows the CCEA specification. Some data may have outliers. In order to clean data, these must be removed. They affect the averages in the PMCC. So when removed, these values may need to be recalculated to get more accurate and precise numbers. To find outliers, as seen on this graph here, you can draw a regression line or line of best fit and find the points that are far away from it. Tables may have irrelevant data or missing data which must be cleaned. To do this, the irrelevant fields can be removed. Then, using the leftover data, you can make predictions by plotting a graph. As seen in this example here, irrelevant fields are the name and gender. Then using the leftover data in the ID and age field, you can plot a graph. Then by using this graph, you can make predictions of where the other values lie.